माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। जय श्री राम। जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। जय श्री राम।
जय भवानी।
जय जय भवानी।
Hello guys.
जय भवानी.
We are from Andhra Pradesh. Last time we visited at Kanchipuram at last night in the middle of 12:30 a.m. In that time, I just called to that Hindu Dharmashala which was located at Kanchipuram. They received my call and well warm. So they accepted our request to stay here. 12 members total with no amount, no payment. It is totally free for Hindus. They believe that Hindu Seva is our destination. We have humans for this life, so they are prepared to give protection to our Hindu people who came here to visit near temples. As I said, Lord Krishna said that man is duty bound to follow and protect his dharma in the world. As like that Krishna said, hence it is our duty to protect our Hindu dharma from Western culture.
What is your duty?
Sir,
What is your duty?
my duty is to protect the Hindu culture and to develop our religions and to serve the people in the Hindu way. So I decided to buy only from Hindu people culture, and I am ready to help the poor in Hindu our culture. So we are ready for our culture, as like our Hindu Dharma, Sanatana Dharma started by the Lord Great King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We are on his way. We are on our duty to serve Hindu people. I will protect Hindu Dharma. So I will ready to purchase only from poor people in Hindu Dharma. So will you please guys all just go and check Hindu Dharmashala in Kanchipuram. Whenever it is possible to visit you, just go and check it and call to the owner which was available on the YouTube and Google. Just go and search here and let us know you are ready to serve Hindu Dharma, to protect Hindu Dharma. If you want, there is no cost at all. There is no cost. It is free of accommodation. It is fully free to stay. There is no one.
Your good name?
My name is S. Prithvi Raju. I am from Andhra Pradesh,
District?
Eluru district.
Your cell number?
My mobile number is 88588277.
Today date and time?
Today date is 27th February 2026.
Time?
Time is it's 12:30
Are anybody
in the afternoon.
Are any of our servant demand money from you?
No. No one is demanded. No one is demanded. It is very absolutely free for anyone who can come here to visit and who protects the Hindu laws and Hindu Dharma. Everyone is equals here to develop and protect our Hindu Dharma. Jai Bhavani. Jai Bhavani. Jai Bhavani.